Second down and 10 for Binghamton Central.
Well, they came up big the whole game. I thought in the first half our offense did a good job controlling the time of possession, but in the second half, obviously, we didn't get much going, and we didn't want to do anything before our defense in a bad position, so we kept punting the ball, and they kept coming up big, play after play.
How do you build on tonight's win heading into state semifinals next week?
Well, we celebrate the heck out of tonight's win, because obviously we just beat a great team, and I don't know who we'll be playing next week, but we know they're going to be a great team as well.
Congratulations and good luck next week.
So proud of our kids across the board. Our scout team players throughout the week, to the starters tonight. I'm just so proud of what we were able to accomplish.
The defense today was
Obviously crucial. I thought the offense did a pretty good job in the first half maintaining time of possession. We were doing a great job moving the ball a little bit. Obviously we knew 13 points wasn't going to be enough, but our defense did such a good job in the second half that made us stood up.
Congrats, coach.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, guys, how are you? I bet you must have cheered real loud tonight, didn't you? Yeah, that's what we want, I bet. Good job.
Congratulations, great win. Pretty much what you expected.
Well, I don't know if that's what I expected or not. I never know what to expect. I thought we were going to have to score 3 times. I thought we were going to have to make them score 3 times. They're so explosive on offense, but you know, the defense came up big in the second half, obviously, and just a tremendous effort all the way around by everybody, defensive coaches, scout team players throughout the course of the week, and then everybody was on the field tonight.
Yeah, speak a little bit more about the defense. They came up big continually, time after time.
And absolutely, against a very explosive team that, you know, again, I didn't know if 13 points would be enough. I didn't think it would be. I told the kids at halftime we were going to have to make them score 3 times, and obviously I was wrong, but I'm sure you know, I don't know. We're going to celebrate this one like crazy because they're such a great team. We were able to beat them, and we're going to celebrate this one like crazy tonight, and then we'll get back to some hard work tomorrow. Anybody have any idea who won the other one? Heber Heights or St. Louis? It's like Rose NFL finishes there, you know? We just want to make everybody get their money. I was worried all week long that we might not live up to the billing of the game. The game is supposed to be a great game. I was worried that it might not live up to its billing, but it certainly did.
Let's talk about that defensive stop there, that 4th and 1 you guys get, really kind of stop their momentum there.
Yeah, that was a huge momentum builder for us. Obviously, a big turn of events, and we just couldn't quite get that first down in the second half. We needed to take that time off the clock. But, I wasn't going to put the defense. They were playing so well. I wasn't going to put the defense in a bind, and so we kept punting the ball. I so desperately wanted to go for it on 4th and 1 there at the end, but JD did a great job pinning them down on about the 6-yard line. So, obviously, it turned out to be the right decision, but I sure would have been kicking myself in the butt had they scored.
What do you think of there when they're playing grab, but they're trying to stop in the last drive there, last plays?
Our defensive coaches do a tremendous job. They work hard. Our kids work hard to prepare themselves. They watch a lot of film, and our scout team did a good job this week helping us prepare. So, we just rolled the dice and we came up big today.
Scott made a nice play in the end zone, spotted the ball.
Absolutely. That was a huge play, and he's done it all year long. He's a returning starter, and has come up big here, especially in the second half of the season.
Do you ever think you'd be able to win this game with 1 first down in the second half?
No, at halftime, we said at halftime we were going to have to score again and make them have to score 3 times. But obviously it didn't end up being that way. The defense came up so big that our 13 points, I guess, held up for us.
Who blocked that extra point?
Chase Delandy, I believe it was either Chase Delandy or Cody Top. Those are the 2 guys that rush off the edge.
Heisman had big plays all night too.
He's a warrior. I mean, obviously, great players play great in great games, and this is a great game. He's a great player, and obviously, he played great tonight.